What if the fastest way to build wealth wasn't earning more, but spending less? We're cutting out the status upgrades and convenience premiums that drain your wallet. Here are the 5 things I stopped buying to reclaim my freedom and my bank account. If you're ready to step off the consumer treadmill and step into real wealth, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Let's start the rebellion. Section 1. The philosophy of the rebellion. Before we get into the list, let's address the elephant in the room. Why call this a rebellion? Because the global economy is engineered to make you feel inadequate. Open Instagram, buy this outfit to look successful. Turn on the TV, buy this car to feel powerful. Walk down the street, buy this coffee to feel energized. The buy nothing rebellion isn't about extreme frugality, it's about intentionality. Every dollar you spend on disposable items is a dollar you can't use to buy freedom. When you buy a $50,000 car, you aren't just spending money, you're spending the hours of your life it took to earn that money. You're trading your hard-earned time for metal and plastic. Today, we're taking that time back. Here are the 5 categories I've permanently evicted from my budget. Section 2. The status vehicle, the 7-year trap. The first item on the chopping block, the new car lease. The trap. Marketing convinces us that a car is an extension of our personality. Rugged adventurer? Get a Bronco. Savvy executive? Lease a BMW. So people sign a lease. The average U.S. car lease payment in 2025 is $659 a month. Over 3 years, that's nearly $24,000. And at the end, you own nothing. It's a subscription service for status. The rebellion. I stopped buying status cars. I buy transportation. Safe, reliable, boring. The math. A 5-year-old Toyota Camry or Honda Accord costs $16,000 to $20,000. It will run another 10 years with minimal maintenance. The win. By driving a paid-off car, you free up that $659 a month. Invested at 8% over 10 years, that becomes $120,000 plus. Would you rather impress strangers at a stoplight or build 6 figures of real wealth? Section 3. The tech upgrade cycle, artificial obsolescence. The second category, annual tech upgrades. The trap. Tech companies use artificial obsolescence. Every 12 months, they release a new model with incremental changes, a slightly better camera, a new color, a faster chip you'll barely notice. They rely on FOMO. They want you to feel like your current device is old. The rebellion? I follow the failure rule. I don't replace tech until it physically fails or no longer receives security updates. My phone? 4 years old. My laptop? 6 years old. Both work fine. The math? Skipping just 2 iPhone upgrade cycles saves $2,000. That's a vacation. That's an emergency fund. Stop letting marketing dictate your budget. Use it until it breaks. Section 4. The convenience premium, food delivery. This one hurts because we all do it. Third-party food delivery. The trap? It's 6 p.m. You're tired. You order a $15 burrito. But wait, menu markup? $18. Restaurants raise prices on apps. Service fee? $3. Delivery fee? $4. Tip? $5. Total? $30. You just paid nearly double for the same burrito. This is the convenience premium, a 100% markup for not leaving the couch. The rebellion? My rule, if I want restaurant food, I pick it up myself. This saves money and adds friction. Often, when I realize I have to drive, I just eat leftovers instead. The win? Deleting these apps can save the average American $1,000 a year. If you're feeling the urge to purge your spending habits, hit that like button. It helps spread this message of financial sanity. Section 5. The fast fashion carousel. Category 4. Fast fashion. The trap? It's cheap. A shirt is only $15, so you buy 5. But after 2 washes, the hem unravels, the fabric pills, and it loses shape. This is the boots theory of wealth. You spend more replacing cheap junk than buying quality once. The rebellion? I buy staples, not trends. high-quality fabrics, cotton, wool, and linen in neutral colors that don't go out of style. The shift: instead of 10 $15 shirts, $150, that last 6 months, I buy 3 $50 shirts, $150, that last 3 years. My closet is smaller, less cluttered, and I look better because the clothes fit and last. Section 6. The identity subscriptions. The final category: subscriptions to an ideal self. The trap: the fancy gym membership, $150 a month, you never use. The masterclass subscription you haven't touched in months. The 5 streaming services you barely watch. The monthly box subscriptions piling up clutter. The average American spends $1,080 a year on subscriptions, with nearly $200 wasted on unused ones. The rebellion: I canceled everything I hadn't used in 30 days. My rule: pay per use. Rent a movie for $3.99 instead of paying $15 a month just in case. Pay a drop-in fee for workouts or run outside. By cutting recurring identity charges, I stopped funding a fantasy life and started funding my real one. Section 7. What you buy instead: freedom. So if we're not buying cars, iPhones, burritos, trendy clothes, and subscriptions, what are we buying? We are buying time. Every $100 saved is roughly 1 day of living expenses. If your monthly budget is $3,000, that's 1 day of freedom. You're buying the ability to quit a toxic job, to start a business, to sleep well knowing you have a 6-month emergency fund. The dopamine hit of a new phone lasts 3 days. The peace of mind of $10,000 in the bank lasts forever. Section 8. How to start the rebellion. You don't have to do this all at once. Start with a no-spend month. Pick one category, say food delivery. Commit to 30 days of 0 delivery apps. Delete them. See how much money you save. See how much better you feel cooking simple meals. Then tackle the next category. The buy nothing rebellion is a quiet revolution. Reject the car payment. Drive paid-off reliability. Reject the tech cycle. Use it until it breaks. Reject the convenience premium. Pick up your own food. Reject fast fashion. Buy quality staples. Reject identity subscriptions. Pay only for what you use. When you stop chasing the life marketed to you, you can afford the life you actually need. I'm curious to hear from you. Which of these 5 categories is your biggest challenge, tech or takeout? What's one thing you stopped buying recently that saved you money? Drop your answers in the comments and subscribe for more educational content on personal finance. Thanks for watching.